Good day everyone, welcome back to my channel, Soleil's Life. Okay, let's begin by showing the pattern pieces. First we have the 2 cups for the bralette. We also have the 2 straps for the shoulders and the back. We have the gathered section, which is double the width of your underbust. We also have 2 straps that's going to join the gathered section to the bralette, and we also have 2 straps that goes to the back of the bralette. So once again, the 2 cups for the bralette with the straps, the gathered section for that joins on to the bralette, which will be double side of your underbust. Also we have the band that's going to join the bralette and the gathered section together, and we have 2 straps that goes to the back of the bralette or top. So let's begin. Here we have the 2 cups for the bralette and the 2 straps. The straps is 16 inches by 1 inch in width. I fold it double and double and you get the size. So this will be the length and this is the finished width. I'm just going to go ahead and flat stitch down all the way from one end to the other to close off the strap. Also with the bralette, once you're done doing the straps, we're going to go ahead. There's a closed section and an open section. So I'm just going to go ahead and place the strap in there like that. I'm going to stitch all the way up, all the way down. So this is how it's going to be. I'm just going to go ahead, make a stitch all the way down, all the way up, and I'm going to gather. I'm going to turn it right side out. And then I'm going to gather the bottom. I'm going to do the same with this section. I'm going to go ahead, open it up. I'm going to place the strap in here. I'm going to go ahead, close it down, and I'm going to go ahead and stitch all the way up, and I'm going to go ahead and stitch all the way down. And I'm going to turn it over and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to gather. Let me change this to the right position. Okay, there you go, right position. So now I'm going to go ahead, stitch all the way down, then I'm going to turn it over to the right side. I'm just going to put some loose gathers here and gather it up together so it's going to form the cup. So this will be the bralette section. Here we have the 2 bralette sections. This is what it looks like after you join the strap and stitch it and put a gather stitch or a loose stitch to the bottom and just gather it in. So this will be the cup section. So this is the cup that joins to the other section that has the 3 pleats. This is what the cup looks like after you attach the straps. This will be one side of the cup and this will be the other side of the cup. So this is what it looks like. Once again, you have the option, you could put a gather stitch, a loose stitch or gather stitch to the bottom and gather it in, or you could just do a small dart. Either option works fine. So now once I'm done joining the straps to the bralette top, I'm going to go ahead and join the bra to the straps. This is the strap that goes to the underbust. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to place the strap after I've gathered the bottom of the bra. I'm going to go ahead and place the strap this way, and I'm just going to go ahead and flat stitch all the way down. So I'm going to do that both front and back and I'm going to go ahead and join the bra to the straps. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now, and then I'll be back to show you what it looks like. Here we have the 2 strap pieces. This strap piece is going to join to the underbust of the bra. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you how to join one of them. So what I did is I'm just going to go ahead and lay it on the bralette. Now the middle of the bralette, you have the option of bringing it together, or you have the option of leaving a space in between. So whichever preference you choose, that's the one you're going to go ahead and work with. If you want to close it up like this, or if you want to leave it with a space like this, whatever option you choose, that's the way you set it. You find the middle of the strap and you go ahead and you just go ahead and stitch all the way down from one end of the cup to the middle to the other end. So that's gonna secure the bralette, and this strap is where you're gonna join the bottom half that we did the pleats on. So I'm gonna go ahead now and just stitch alongside and join the bralette to the strap. Then we have the guarded area, which will be double the size, the width of your underbust. The length is 8 inches. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead, it's 2 sections, so I'm going to join it in one on the side, and then I'm going to go ahead and put a loose stitch all the way around and gather it together. Once I'm done gathering it together, I'm also going to put a 1/2 inch hem to the bottom. Here we have the part that goes on the underbust. What I did, I opened it out, straight length, separated into 4. So I just fold it together and then fold it again. So we have 4 sections. Each section, the middle of the section, I place a 3 inches in width and 2 inches underneath pleat. So that'll be 5 inches for one pleat, and I did 3 of them. So this is the part that's going to join to the bralette to go to, that goes on the underbust. After I've joined the band onto the bralette cup, I now join the straps onto the bottom half, the pleated section. This is the 7 inch in length that we first did. So I put some pleats in there, and this is what I joined on to the straps. So I just went ahead and pin it from one end to the other end. So I'm going to go ahead now and stitch all the way down, and this is going to join the bralette cup and the strap to the bottom half of the top. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now, and I'll be back to show you what it looks like. So here we have the finished top, the bralette, the under piece that holds the top. It holds both the bralette and the bottom half of the top together. So this is the underbust strap. It's also hem, and here we have the straps. So this is what the finished top looks like.